hindi nagtatago ng PAGS o hindi nagmi-maintain ng PAGS itong mga mayor na ito, wala po silang dapat katakutan po, sir. So,
Pero Gerald, sorry to
Yes,
cut
sir.
you, no? Sabi ko nga kay Secretary Abalos noon, no? General Acorda, if this happened 20 years ago, believable sa Batangas, Cavite, wala nang ganyan ngayon. I don't think there is still a lot presence of private armed groups in the area. Kung siguro sa Mindanao, ngayon pwede ako maniwala. Pero ngayon sa Batangas, Calabarzon, wala na tayong naririnig na ganyan. And I had the chance to meet pa isa-isa yung mga nagsosolicit sa amin ng project ng mga mayor. Hindi sa isa ko. Naniniwala ba kayo sa nangyari? Walang naniniwala eh. Natakot na sila. In fact, Thursday pa lang, karamihan sa mayors, umaalis na ng bahay nila dahil ayaw nila mangyari. Yung nangyari kay Mayor Villanueva. Can you answer this? Hindi kanyo na John Karamat. As I mentioned,
Yes.
I'm one of the biggest supporters of PBBM. Alam niyo yan, na pinakamalaking budget ng time na ako nag-defend nito.
Yes,
Yun
sir.
lang, you have to justify your actions. Hindi pwedeng culture of impunity would remain. General Karamat, can you answer this? Kayo po ang CIPG ang nag-lead, no? No operation na ito?
Good morning, Your Honor, sir. Yes, sir, that's correct. Before that operation, pinaalam nila po yun sa akin and I give the approval based doon sa information that was given to me. And accordingly, these brothers, marami silang mga dero. Kung matatandaan nyo, sir, one of the suspect, yung kapatid nila is a former police officer who was dismissed from the police service. And the other one was ABC president, maraming complaint. And these brothers are na-validate ng Regional 4A na parang mapapasok na sila, sir, sa PAGS. That's the reason why I give the approval na to conduct, to apply search warrant to those suspects, sir. Regarding doon, sir, sa sinabi nyo kanina na may mga mayors na natatakot, well, ang masasabi ko lang, the PNP enforces the law without fear or favor. Kung hindi nagtatago ng PAGS o hindi nagmi-maintain ng PAGS itong mga mayor na ito, wala po silang dapat katakutan po, sir. So,
Pero Gerald, sorry to
Yes,
cut
sir.
you, no? Sabi ko nga kay Secretary Abalos noon, no? General Acorda, if this happened 20 years ago, believable sa Batangas, Cavite, wala nang ganyan ngayon. I don't think there is still a lot presence of private armed groups in the area. Kung siguro sa Mindanao, ngayon pwede ako maniwala. Pero ngayon sa Batangas, Calabarzon, wala na tayong naririnig na ganyan. And I had the chance to meet pa isa-isa yung mga nagsosolicit sa amin ng project ng mga mayor. Hindi sa isa ko. Naniniwala ba kayo sa nangyari? Walang naniniwala eh. Natakot nga sila. In fact, Thursday pa lang, karamihan sa mayors, umaalis na ng bahay nila dahil ayaw nila mangyari. Yung nangyari kay Mayor Villanueva. Can you answer this? Hindi kanyo na General Karamat. As I mentioned,
Yes.
I'm one of the biggest supporters of PBBM. Alam niyo yan, na pinakamalaking budget ng time na ako nag-defend nito.
yes,
Yun
sir.
lang, you have to justify your actions. Hindi pwedeng culture of impunity would remain.
Yes, sir. Regarding doon po, sir, sa information na kumakalat na mayroon pong susunod na mayor, sir, actually, sir, wala pong ganun, sir.
Pero yun po, nanggaling sa mga mayors eh. One of
I
your
don't know
officers,
where that
sinabi
information
po nila.
came from.
Sinabi po niya, susunod pa namin 7 sa inyo. Kaya nga takot-takot, walang umuwi sa mga yun.
Sir,
Bigay ko na nga, papakita ko lang, Mr. Chair. Ito pong application for search warrant, may baril pa kay Mayor, pero hindi po siya ito. Kapatid daw niya ito. So doon pa lang nagkamali, tapos antipolo nyo pa in-apply. Ba? Bakit hindi doon sa place of where the incident happened o yung supposed to be raid sa Batangas? Bakit sa antipolo kailangan mag-apply?
yes, sir. For the purpose of secrecy, sir, so that our operations will not be burned out. I think there's nothing wrong with that, sir. And regarding those sa mga 7 mayors, na susunod daw na i-applyan, sir. As the CIDG director, sir, I can assure you that
Get your assurance. Can we get your
Yes, sir.
assurance na wala
Yes,
na
sir.
mangyayari ganyan?
yes, sir, unless that in the future they will not commit any mistake, sir, or any violation, sir.
General Karamat, again, if this happened 10, 20 years ago, maniniwala ako eh. In this day and age of social media, takot na lahat sa kaso, takot na lahat sa mailabas. Lalo na in Calabarzon, napakalapit sa Metro Manila. I'm sure our chair and Senator Gatchalian here would agree. No? Wala nang gagawa ng ganyan this day and age. Kasi ang pinakahuling ayaw natin na magamit ang PNP for political vendetta. Nangyari na sa akin yan nung last year's hearing. Di ba? Andito ba si Colonel Santos? Di ba? Nung wala ako sa pwesto, papahuhuli pa ako. Ang hinuli niya, si biggest accomplishment niya kay Mayor Sabora, pinahuli yung mga nagkakape during the time of pandemic. Kung naman sana maulit yung ganyan. That, again, we are already in the process of PNP reorganization na dapat yung PNP will be apolitical. So ito, parang merong shade ng politika ito. Siguro. Diba?
Thank you, sir. As I said before, sir, we just base our operations based on the validations that these suspects are included in the potential bugs watch list, sir. But for any other reasons like politics, I don't know these people, sir. So I can assure you, sir, that
Also, I don't know, for the
Yes,
record,
sir.
Mr. Chair, I don't even know Mayor Villanueva. Hindi ko kilala yan. Sa Mabini, hindi nga ako nanalo dun eh. Di ba? And tinignan ko yung top 12, ay wala ako. Pero I'm just doing this for
Nanalo ka na ngayon, Sen. JB.
siguro.
Dahil dito sa issue na.
Hindi, I'm just saying that, we do not want this to happen. Kasi nga, wag naman sanang gamitin ito sa... Tapos yung pong yung tanong ko lang, why standard operation ba yun na yung mga PNP nakakover ang yung raiding team, nakamask sila lahat, wala, yung nameplate sila, nakatakip, di ba dapat yan, meron na nga tayong mga body cam eh. So bakit ganun? Lahat po nando sa raiding team unit, nakakover po ang lahat ng mata, ang nila, ang mga muka.
Sir, kung naka-cover naman yung mga mukha, sir, sir, they are equipped with alternate recording device or body-worn camera, sir. Sometimes, may mga intelligence operatives natin, sir, na hindi pwedeng i-divert. And these things, sir, is being applied also in other countries, especially those who are in the special units, sir, for their own protection, sir, but not for anything
But
else,
this is
sir.
already serving a warrant already, General. And nag-conduct kayo ng raid, walang kasamang barangay na witness. So, pwedeng mangyayari doon sa loob? Pwede, they can plant anything. And yun na pa, Mr. Chair, nakita niyo naman sa video, sumisigaw yung pamangkin niya dahil lalagyan na ng granada doon sa kabilang bahay. Dito rin, granada rin para hindi makapag-bail. Di ba? Kung may tanim bala, alam na natin yung modus na yan, tanim granada para hindi makapag-bail eh. Di ba? Sino ba nang magsira ulo ang maglalagay ng granada sa ulunan? Maglalagay ka ng granada sa bahay mo, sa ulo mo, kung sumabog yan, di sabog ang utak mo. Di ba? Marami kayong dapat ipaliwanag dito, General. And I would like a report on this. Mr. Chair, again, I do not mind supporting the PNP, but we just have to do everything in perspective, in the proper perspective. Di ba? General?
Thank you, sir, for bringing out this matter, sir, and I will dig deeper into this matter, and I will submit to your office a comprehensive report about this operation, sir. Thank
But he
you,
was
sir.
already, na-release na si Mayor for the record, no?
I'm aware of also, sir.
68
Yes, sir.
days yan,
Yes,
Mr. Chair. He
Yes,
was
sir.
detained for 68 days. Pero mag-iingat naman tayo. We have to improve if we want to have a conducive investment climate, kailangan yung culture of unity matanggal sa atin. Mr. Chair, thank you.